guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing my mini Mondays. Before I count my cash, I do have a sparkling water here. I have the one from Trader Joe's, the blueberry lemonade. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. All right, let's open up my binder and count my cash. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. The little one was hiding. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take out each, I'm going to take out each binder, or I should say envelope, and I'm going to mix it up tonight, only just because I want to change it up. So, because it's always been the same, and I just want to change it up some tonight. And I will put the challenges on top of the envelope. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know it looks kind of weird, but it's okay. So let's just start. So each roll is going to get $1. So I have 20. So we're going to go until I have no more cash left. That's 4, 3, 2, 4, 6. I figured I'd change it up just to see if, you know, some envelopes get more love and I can complete some more challenges a little bit faster. So we'll see if that does it. Changing it up some. Everyone got some loving tonight. That's good. Who's gonna get the last dollar? Number 2. All right, so I'm going to take the dice tower and move it over to the side here, and then I will move each challenge over, and then we're going to go through each one and see what they each got. And then as I go through them, I'll tell you who challenged, what challenge is from who. Okay, so this is Tiki Bears. This is from Two Sister Bees. So this one got $3. Okay, so let's just go ahead and highlight this 3 right here. This challenge now has $10, $15, $16, $17, and $18. And I'm going to go ahead and just put them back in. That way they're in the binder. The next one is going to be from, this is from Budget with Carly. This is a freebie. So this challenge got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have a 2 and then a 3. This challenge now has 20, 40, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4. Wow, $64 out of $75. So Not that far. I'm getting super close. Okay, the next one is from pinkxbudgetz, and it is the cute owl savings. So I have $4. I don't have, oh, you know what? I do have enough for 5 because I had $1 from the last time. So I'm gonna color in this 5 right here. Or you know what? I'm actually gonna do half of the 10. So I will do half of this here. That way I can at least cash stuff it and count it. This challenge now has 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $26 out of 40, but I did save a little bit extra. The next one is from, I don't know who's this from, but it's the spicy level savings. This was a freebie, but like I said, I don't remember where I got it from. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can only do 1 spicy pickle. Let me get my clipboard here. So I'm going to color in one of these. Ooh, that was a horrible coloring job, but that's okay. This challenge now has, oh, I had some extra money. Hold on a second. Let me see how many I'm supposed to have here. I think I just messed this up because I had some cash that I was pending to have an additional, I think it was $2. Let me see how much I have here. I have 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times 10 plus 3 minus 38. So I can color in another one, and then I'll take $2 and put it out here. So let me get another marker. So I will color in another spicy pickle. Yeah, so that's 5, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 times 3 is 36. So this should be 36. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then $2 for the next time I do this. I totally forgot that I had that extra cash waiting. Okay, the next one is this one here. It is my coffee challenge. I call this one. And I got only $1 and I have only 3. So what I can do is I can just color in a third of this. Or maybe not. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait until I get $3. So let's just see how much this challenge has. 21, 2, 3. Okay, so 23, and this one's gonna save me 40, I believe. Yeah, no, 30. So I will put this $1 in the front. And the next one is, and the last one, is everyone's invited to the picnic. And this one's gonna save me 65, and I got a $2. So let's see, $2. I do have a bug here, so I'm gonna color in this little bug. So this challenge now has 20, 40, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9. So that's 59 out of 65. It's pretty good. All right, so you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And leave me some sort of money sign emoji. That way I know you guys made it to the end. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.